Welcome back. In today's video, we are going to learn how to have a correlation heat map in which the upper triangle is masked. You see, we only see the lower triangle and the upper triangle is masked. But how can we do that? We are having the size of the figure. We are having the seed being set here. So every time that I run, we are going to get the same result. The result is not going to change. Then we are generating a table of 5 columns and 10 rows. So 5 columns A, B, C, D, and E. Then 10 rows 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. Then we are calculating the correlation between any two variables and assign it to my core matrix. Now, in order to have the mask on the upper triangle, we simply need to use this line of code. Okay, so we are having the trio function that is going to mask, or let's say hide, the upper triangle of the core matrix and return it to my mask. Okay, and then we are using that my mask, assign it to the keyword mask in the heat map. So let me say it one more time. Here we are using the trio function, and this is going to help us to hide the upper triangle of the core matrix. Okay, it is commonly used to display only the lower triangle in a heat map. And this is how we can do it. Basically, what you need to care about it in this line is this name and trio, and then the name of the matrix that you want to hide its upper triangle. And that's it. Then we are using the heat map function. We are mentioning that, okay, we want a heat map over the core matrix. We are discussing because we want to mask the upper triangle. We are going to use the keyword mask, and my mask is assigned to it, meaning that, okay, mask the upper triangle here for me. We are having the anode equals true because we want to have these numbers on the cell. Otherwise, if I don't have this line, if I remove it, you will see that no numbers will be displayed. Okay, then we are having the color scale, which is here, and finally we are having the width of the line. And here we are having the title saying that correlation heat map upper triangle masked. Sorry. Then we are having the font size and the bold, and that's it. We use the show function to display our figure. And if in case you wanna hide the lower triangle and you wanna mask the lower triangle and have the upper triangle being shown, simply instead of having the trio, you will use the trill. Okay, so trill is going to help us to have this triangle. So trill or trio. Okay, so it depends on you. This part is similar, so the tree part is similar. Then instead, when you're having the U, it means that you are masking the upper triangle. But when we are having, instead of that, we are having L, it means that we are hiding the lower triangle. Okay, and this is how we can simply use it and benefit from having a correlated heat map in which we are having either the upper triangle masked or the lower triangle masked. Thank you for watching.